So this is the first test with the new water gauge, and I think it's safe to say it leaks in multiple places. That wasn't there 30 seconds ago. It leaks worst from, I think it's this elbow on the water gauge, but I really can't tell. Well, beneath the water gauge, I suppose. We are just now running out of fuel, so I'll try and stabilize the camera and get a good view of the engine running at speed. This is on one full SBIT tablet in a D10 burner tray. My exhaust pipe, which is this copper thing, which is really, has that tiny little flange on it, hasn't appeared to have done its good grief. Right, well, I'm going to end the video as I need both hands to do some mopping.